Hello everyone, my name is Raisa Fatima from 11 Cambridge, and this is a presentation about how physics affects our daily life. The first one is sound. We wake up in the morning at the sound of an alarm. Sound is something we can't see but can hear. It is used by medical equipment such as the ultrasound, by ships to estimate the depth of the ocean, and so on. Physics studies the origin, propagation, and properties of sound. The second one is gravity. We have all observed apples falling down from a tree or balloons floating away in air. How is this possible? That is because the Earth has a kind of pull that draws every object to its surface. This pull is called gravity or gravitational force, which keeps every object grounded to the surface of the earth and prevents them from floating away. This is why apple falls to the ground and why people or objects on the underside of the earth not fall into space. So why did the balloon float away and not fall in the ground? We know the air is light, so imagine something which is lighter than air, like helium gas, for example, filled into the balloon because it is light and it rises to a level higher than air and thus works against gravity, which now cannot keep the balloon grounded. Gravity is studied to a great extent by astronauts to mimic conditions in outer space. In fact, gravity is the very event that was studied by Sir Isaac Newton, who is now considered one of the fathers of physics. The last one is force. When we open or close a door, we use force. When the door is heavy, we use more strength to move in, which simply means that we use more force. Force is something that we use on a daily basis. In almost all tasks we undertake, like brushing our teeth and pushing buttons on a keyboard. Force is also involved in various processes like coughing, sneezing, and blood flow due to the contraction of certain muscles in our body. Simply put, phase force is nothing but the pressure exerted by one body on another body. Sports, like swimming or running, also employ force. For this reason, force is also dealt with by physics. That is all I am presenting. Thank you so much for hearing.